Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Thinkific using the Thinkific application. So here is how you can do it. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Thinkific application on your preferred mobile device. Go visit your App Store or your Play Store and download this specific app. Now launch the app open and you will be able to see this interface. From the main home screen, you will need to find your academy or organization. Type in the name of your academy or organization in the text box, and then from the results, select the link you'd like to sign up or sign in with. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll need to sign in to your existing account or sign up for a new account if you don't have one already. To sign up for a new account, go ahead and enter the email address and password provided to you by your organization or academy. Enter it in the text boxes. Make sure to enter the email correct and then type in your password and finally click on the sign in button to sign into your account. You can also use the Facebook, Google or Apple account option at the bottom of the screen to sign into your account with. Follow through the instructions till the end, and then you will be able to sign up for a new account on Thinkific. Thinkific is an online course platform that enables individuals and business to create, market, sell and deliver their own online courses. After setting up your profile, you can start exploring the app, create new courses, manage existing one, track student progress and customize your course setting. That is how you will be able to sign up for Thinkific in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.